Hello. I got a new Zippo, so making this unboxing video. It was pretty fast shipping. Maybe it's because the guy, I don't know, you can't see it, so, because the guy that I bought it from is in Texas, and I'm in Texas also, so, let's see. 2 days shipping, pretty fast. Came with 6 flints for free. My receipt. Nice. Brand new. Zippo blue advertisement. Pretty nice Zippo. It's black matte with the red outline and Zippo logo. It was made in May 2009. I don't know if you can see this, but May 2009. This is a real Zippo. Pretty nice. Pretty cheap also. No fluid. If you want a Zippo from eBay, I would recommend this. The guy's name is topbranditems. I'll put his name up there. Um, that's it. Zippo, black matte, red outline. Alright, bye.